Hello everyone, welcome back to Hemophilic Hero, brother from another mother. Hope you are doing great. If you are new to this channel, watch Diet Series Part 1 and Part 2, then continue with this video so you will be able to understand it better. Subscribe, watch all my videos, observe, analyze, experiment and improve your quality of life. In this video, we are going to see about the body type endomorph, which means they look heavy, obese, or overweight. They have thicker joints but overloaded by fat. When they age, they keep on adding more weight in their body, so those joints won't be able to tolerate or bear that weight. So the possibility of bleeding increases. Body weight in men happens mostly because of the increase in female hormone called estrogen. That's why they look round and bulky in shape. So the estrogen levels go up. Because of that, it decreases the male primary hormone testosterone. It's the most important hormone for strength, muscles, healing, energy, immunity, and the list goes on. But let's take what we need for this topic. Like I said earlier, once the estrogen dominance increase, the testosterone starts to go down. So what happens? The strength and the muscle decreases. Lack of energy, fatigue, depression, and all those bad things starts to happen and makes them vulnerable to more bleeds. But okay, let's not point out all the bad things. Estrogen has its own good things also. Because of the high fluid retention in the body, it keeps the cartilage and joints somewhat healthier, but under one condition: it has to be kept on its perfect level. Okay, so it will be able to play its part on cartilage, synovial fluid, and bone density. One more reason: some people eat less but they'll get obese, and the culprit is estrogen. Oops, sorry, I'm getting too technical. To be simple, I'm just saying them to bring the body weight to healthy range. My advice is don't get skinny, don't get obese. Be in the middle of that both, which will be helpful in many ways for health. Regularly keep checking weight at least weekly once. Another hormone causes obesity is cortisol. I repeat, it's not cholesterol, it's cortisol. Cortisol increases because of physical and mental stress. It's a kind of antivillain. Some of the steps to reduce stress: eat on time, sleep on time, keep your mind positive, ignore negativity. I will make a separate video on that topic soon. Okay, let's see which foods to eat. First one is complex carbs. Oats, which is very high in fiber, it's digested slowly, so it won't spike your insulin levels. Next, and oats is good for constipation also. Number two, egg whites. Egg whites, you should consume egg whites with every meal, one or two, and don't take yellow yolks. If Number three, vegetables and fruits every day. But fruit should be consumed with limitation. Plan nice fruits and vegetables every day. 4. Red meat, chicken, fish, but avoid fat items in non-vegetarian foods. Foods to avoid for endomorph. You can watch other videos also. Add those things in your list. Number 1. Fatty foods like fried items. Number 2. Avoid dairy products, but you can consume small amount every day. It's okay though. Don't eat or drink milk products. Number 3. Soya beans. It promotes estrogen and eats your muscles, so be careful with soya beans. Reduce sugar intake. You can consume only up to 2 tablespoons of sugar per day. Don't eat sweet dishes very often, and don't drink cool drinks. Avoid cool drinks. Overall, limit in your food intake. Consume less calories. Burn the calories by walking. Age is important criteria in this. If you are around 15 to 20 years old, it's the best age to reduce your obesity. Maximum up to the age of 25, it's easy to manage your weight and reduce your obesity. Above 25 years old, then every year the chance of your getting fit is very hard, getting hard year by year. So come to ideal weight to reduce vulnerability of bleeding. Let's see next, mesomorph. Mesomorph is the luckiest hemophilic, but I guess they are very rare in nature. They have stronger bones, dense muscles, tendons, ligaments, and they are just genetically gifted by the nature. So chance of getting beat for them for no reason is very less, but as a hemophilic, if they met with accidents or small injuries, they will definitely bleed. But remember one thing, keep your weight in ideal range. Consume fat. For mesomorph, consume more fat to increase your weight to bring it to the ideal weight range. Chances are high mesomorph remains lower range of that ideal body weight. If they are below ideal weight, then they can increase their body weight by adding fat foods like eating peanut or groundnut, and adding some egg yellow yolks also in everyday food. That will definitely increase their food. You don't worry about taking fat, your body requires fat. Okay, conclusion. I am not wasting my time or blabbering in YouTube. If you follow my videos and started to follow all the tips I am giving, then chances are high that every step, every method you started following, that is going to increase your uh, quality of life and decrease your bleeds. Keep watching my videos, take it seriously, observe. You will notice that sooner I will not bleed for no reason. I will be able to do my leg workout. Definitely you will notice that my health is going to be in better position. That's why I am making all these videos. So don't miss, hit like and share, subscribe. Thank you.